Today, I'm unveiling the ultimate guide to decluttering with 15 actionable steps. These proven techniques have revolutionized spaces, just like yours, by clearing the path to a more organized and stress-free environment. With tangible proof of their effectiveness, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to declutter your life. Stay tuned to discover the power of simplicity by typing "I am minimalist" in the comments below. Now, let's dive into the first item on our decluttering list: expired food. We all find ourselves with that can of soup or box of pasta well past its expiration date. Not only does expired food take up valuable space in our pantries, but it can also be a potential health hazard. Take a moment to check your pantry and refrigerator for any items that have passed their prime. Consider donating non-expired items to local food banks, shelters, or churches. Next up, let's talk about unwanted condiments or ingredients. How often do we accumulate those little packets of soy sauce or ketchup from takeout orders, only to find them languishing in the back of our cabinets? These items not only clutter our storage spaces, but can also contribute to an overall sense of disorganization. Take a moment to assess your condiment collection and part ways with those you're unlikely to use. Moving on to broken or unmatched kitchenware, it's essential to address safety concerns in your living spaces. Cracked glasses, chipped mugs, or containers with missing lids can pose risks, especially in households with children. Evaluate your kitchen items, discarding anything compromised or incomplete. This not only enhances safety, but also declutters your kitchen, making it more functional and visually appealing. Remember, the goal is to create a space where every item serves a purpose and contributes to a harmonious living environment. Attention, everyone! Ready to uncover the millionaire mindset and transform your financial goals into reality? Meet the Millionaire Mindset ebook, Your Key to Wealth Creation. Grab your free copy by clicking the link below, and if you found the video helpful, please like the video. Let's now turn our attention to piles of paper. Paper clutter has a unique way of accumulating, even in the most organized households. Whether it's old receipts, instruction manuals, or forgotten schoolwork, these paper piles can contribute to a sense of chaos. Take a proactive approach by sorting through your papers, recycling or shredding what's unnecessary, and organizing the rest. Implementing a system for managing incoming paper, such as mail or documents, can prevent future piles and maintain a clutter-free living space. Now let's address the issue of empty boxes. While they may seem useful for future storage or organization, holding onto too many empty boxes can quickly lead to a space crunch. Establish a rule for yourself. Unless you have an immediate use for a box, recycle it. This simple guideline ensures that you're not sacrificing valuable space for a potential future need. Decluttering empty boxes not only frees up storage space, but also contributes to a more organized and visually appealing living environment. Moving forward, we come to the sixth item on our decluttering list: unwanted or worn-out shoes. Shoes, especially those worn by active children, can quickly succumb to wear and tear. Assess your shoe collection and identify pairs that have seen better days. Whether it's shoes that your kids have outgrown or pairs that have become too worn to be comfortable, it's time to bid them farewell. Let's now discuss the seventh item on our list: old socks. Socks, over time, can lose their elasticity, develop holes, or end up with missing partners. Take a moment to go through your sock drawer and part ways with any socks that no longer serve their purpose. Whether they're worn out, holey, or missing their mates, it's time to declutter. Creating space in your sock drawer not only streamlines your morning routine, but also allows you to enjoy the comfort and functionality of a well-curated sock collection. Moving on to the eighth item: worn out or uncomfortable underwear. Underwear is a foundational element of our daily attire, impacting our comfort and confidence. Evaluate your underwear collection, discarding items that are too tight, uncomfortable, or showing signs of wear and tear. Investing in underwear that fits well and makes you feel good sets the tone for the day ahead. Decluttering worn out or uncomfortable underwear not only enhances your daily comfort, but also contributes to a more organized and mindful approach to your wardrobe. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video, and we're thrilled to have you here with us. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful. Now let's delve into the ninth item on our decluttering journey: kids' clothing. Children grow rapidly, and their clothing needs evolve accordingly. Take the opportunity to involve your children in the decluttering process. Identify clothes they've outgrown, items that are too worn to be passed on, and pieces that no longer align with their preferences. Teaching kids the value of decluttering not only instills essential life skills, but also fosters a sense of responsibility. By decluttering kids' clothing, you not only create space, but also contribute to a more intentional and organized wardrobe for your little ones. Next up, we have the 10th item on our list: unfinished DIY projects. We all have those lingering knitting or gardening projects that we started with enthusiasm but never completed. It's time to assess these projects realistically. If an unfinished project has been sitting untouched for an extended period, consider letting it go. By decluttering unfinished DIY projects, you free up mental space and gain a sense of closure. This allows you to redirect your time and energy toward activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Moving on to the 11th item, unworn clothes. Our closets often house items that we haven't worn in months or even years. Take a critical look at your wardrobe and identify clothes that no longer fit, align with your style, or bring you joy. If an item has been untouched for an extended period, it's time to declutter. By letting go of unworn clothes, you not only create space in your closet, but also curate a collection that reflects your current preferences. Now let's explore the 12th item on our decluttering list: extra hangers. It's common to accumulate more hangers than needed, especially after decluttering your wardrobe. While it's reasonable to keep a few spare hangers, excess hangers can contribute to visual clutter. Consider reducing the number of spare hangers to maintain a tidy and organized closet. This not only improves the aesthetics of your wardrobe, but also prevents the temptation to fill empty hangers with unnecessary clothing purchases. Decluttering extra hangers ensures that your closet remains functional and visually pleasing. Moving forward, we come to the 13th item: expired or yucky makeup. Makeup products, over time, can reach their expiration dates or become less appealing due to changes in texture or color. Regularly check your makeup collection and discard items that have passed their prime or no longer meet hygiene standards. By decluttering expired or undesirable makeup, you not only create space in your beauty storage, but also ensure that the products you use enhance rather than compromise your skin. This process contributes to a more streamlined and enjoyable makeup routine. Now let's discuss the 14th item on our decluttering journey: magazines. Magazines, though initially enjoyed, can accumulate and contribute to visual clutter in your living space. Take the time to assess your magazine collection, recycling those you've already read or have kept for an extended period without perusing. If there's specific content you wish to preserve, consider tearing out or taking pictures of relevant articles or recipes. Decluttering magazines not only frees up physical space, but also allows you to maintain a more organized and visually appealing living environment. Next up, we have the 15th item: unwanted books. While books hold sentimental value for many, it's essential to assess whether you genuinely intend to read or reread each book in your collection. If you have books that have been untouched for an extended period or no longer align with your interests, consider decluttering. Donate or pass on books to others who may find joy in them, ensuring that your collection remains curated and meaningful. Decluttering unwanted books not only creates physical space, but also allows you to appreciate and revisit the stories that truly matter to you. There you have it. Top 15 things to declutter right now. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.